Good day, it is Stephen Davids here, and in this video I want to show you how to troubleshoot the Hisense washing machine. Specifically, I want to focus on the front loader, but in any case you may be able to use this for any other washing machine. The first thing is you check the error codes. The washing machines usually have error codes. In the case of the Hisense, it starts with the FF01 or whatever. And just remember, the error codes is very machine specific. Error code for Hisense is not the same as an error code for a Bosch or a whatever other machine. And then in terms of that error code, you take the corrective actions. If the before mentioned does not help you or the error codes are not available, you can perform the following general troubleshoot. Your first step is you check the water inflow. Are the taps open? Are the pipes and the hoses leading to the machine itself not kinked? Is it free? Is it not damaged? Is in general the water inflow, is it undisturbed? The second step is you check the water outflow. The pipes on turn must not be kinked. The water must not flow back. Or whatever. In no way the water outflow must be disturbed. The water outflow must be free away from the machine. The third step is to check the door of the washing machine. The door mechanism has a magnet, and if that magnet doesn't engage fully, it means the machine will not start or cannot operate correctly. So the machine door, open it, see to that it's not obstructed, maybe by close or whatever, and then close it again properly. Fourthly, check your detergent. Did you perhaps change your detergent recently with the last wash? Because some machines, especially the Hisense front loader, is very sensitive. Can be when the detergent is too foamy, too soapy, it affects the working of the machine. And in that case, if you changed the detergent quite recently, try to go back to your previous detergent, even if it isn't that good, or try then another detergent. You can just go back to your previous detergent, because that will indicate to you the problem lies with the detergent, and then if you really is unhappy with that, you can maybe try something else. But the detergent is also important. Then check your washing itself. Sometimes the washing is a little bit unbalanced, or it can be too much, because you must remember wet clothes are very heavy. So take out some clothes, and when you take out some clothes, you immediately, and by sort of definition, you rearrange the clothes. But if you don't want to take out some clothes, which I recommend, then maybe just rearrange the clothes, take something around and rearrange it in the washing basin. Second step is to disconnect the power supply. And if you disconnect the power supply and take the socket out, you give the washing machine, chance to reboot its own systems and to wait around for 10 minutes, and thereafter you restart your program. Plug in the power supply and restart the program to see if the problem did not resolve itself. If everything else fails, I recommend that you do the master reset. The master reset works on other machines. Well, you can try it on the Hisense. To do the master reset, switch off the machine, switch it off at the plug, take out the plug. Leave it for around 2 minutes. If you're on the safe side, want to be on the safe side, leave it for around 10 minutes. I would say leave it for 10 minutes because you are desperate by now. You tried everything and it doesn't work. After that, plug in the machine, turn it on, and then, this is very important, you open and close the machine for 6 times within 12 seconds. 6 times within 12 seconds. Take your mobile with a stopwatch there, or something with a seconds meter that you can see there. It must be within the 12 seconds that you open and close the door. Thereafter, you put the machine on a rinse and spin cycle. Don't put any clothes in, don't put nothing in. It must be empty, and then turn on the rinse spin cycle. So if the water drains them properly, your problem is most likely solved, and then you can continue. If everything else fails, there might be a more specific individual solution for the problems. Look, there can be lots of problems. This is a general guideline. There can be some wiring difference or whatever. Then you may need to contact your supplier and discuss it with him. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video and please subscribe.